tourism industry in Oceania and Antarctica is a critical juncture. We've gathered a panel of experts to discuss the challenges and opportunities. Dr. Maria, what are the most pressing environmental concerns?
The sheer volume of tourists is overwhelming a fragile ecosystem. Waste management is a huge challenge, especially in remote locations. Climate change is exacerbating these problems, leading to habitat loss and more extreme weather events.
How about you, Ms. Dr. David?
Balancing economic viability with environmental protection is a constant struggle. Sustainable practices are essential for long-term health of the tourism industry, but they often require significant upfront investment.
And how about you, Ms. Romeo?
Indigenous communities are often overlooked in tourism planning. Their knowledge and perspective are vital, yet their rights and cultural heritage are often disregarded. We need to ensure their involvement and benefit sharing.
May I ask for you, Mr. Paredes, what are the broader implications of inaction?
These regions are crucial for global biodiversity and climate research. Damage to this ecosystem has worldwide consequences. Sustainable tourism isn't just about protecting these areas, it's about protecting the planet. It's also vital for the economic well-being of Pacific Island nations.
And how about you, Ms. Saiban?
So the tourism industry needs to adapt to changing consumer preferences. Travelers are increasingly conscious of their environmental footprint and seek out sustainable options. Ignoring this trend will lead to market decline.
So we have in our finding solution. So what concrete step can be taken to address these issues? How can you say this, Dr. Maria?
By a stricter regulation, improved waste management system, and limits on visitors' numbers and sensitive areas are crucial. Investing in research and monitoring is also vital.
And how about you, Mr. David?
A business must adopt sustainable practices, invest in ecotourism initiatives, and prioritize transparency and accountability.
Oh, and how about you, Ms. Romeo?
Indigenous communities must be actively involved in all stages of tourism planning and management. Their traditional knowledge is essential for responsible tourism.
This forum has underscored the urgent need for transformative shift in tourism practices in Oceania and Antarctica. The challenges are significant, but with collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to sustainability, we can protect these precious regions for future generations.